Okay. Op.
Hello everybody, you are on Andrei Mikhailovich channel. Today I'm going to show you how to run Android 12 on your laptop or computer. And for this, you need to have a USB stick. That's all. And of course, laptop or computer. It's been a while since I released a video about Android 11, or to be correctly, how to run Android 11 from your USB stick. And a lot of you very curious about the fact that you can run Android OS on your older or newer devices. So today we're going to talk about Bliss OS 15. Bliss OS is another operating system on which you can run Android apps and games. It runs on Android 12, this version that we're going to install today. The benefits of Bliss OS that this OS doesn't have high system requirements to laptop or computer, so you can install it even on older devices or on newer devices. I'm going to run this operating system on my old device. This is Lenovo ThinkPad laptop since 2013. It has Intel Core i3 processor of 3rd generation, SSD drive and 8 GB of RAM. So definitely nothing special about this device. Today I'm going to show you how to install Bliss OS 15 on your USB stick, and after that you will be able to insert it into your laptop or computer and run this OS from your USB stick without installation on your device. But if you want to install it, you have option for this. But today we're only going to run it from our USB stick. To be honest, on the internet and even on Bliss OS website, I can't find information how many space do you need to have to install it on your USB stick. But I find information that some users run Bliss OS on their devices that have only 4 GB of memory. Not RAM memory, I mean storage. Bliss OS 15 ISO file have about 1 GB of memory, so probably you can try to install it on your USB stick if you have 4 GB of memory. But I still recommend to have at least 8 GB of memory. To install Bliss OS on your flash drive, we will need to have a flash drive, and also we will use Rufus program. Definitely, I think this is very cool because you have an option to run Android 12 on your newer devices and even on your older devices. But I want to warn you that this is unstable version. This is beta version, so probably it may not run on your device. Also, in the end of the video, I will install some simple app and game on this operating system by using my USB stick, just to show you that everything works correctly. So be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So for the beginning, we need to open our browser. In my case, it's Google Chrome. Then type next, Bliss OS, and press enter. So right now we will go to the Bliss OS official website. First I go to this website to show you quite interesting information about Bliss OS. So here you may see that it has nice optimization if we're talking about battery life, it has nice compatibility and good performance. So we need to scroll down a little bit. And as you can see, Bliss OS 11, this is the stable version and it runs on Android 9. Then Bliss OS 12 run on Android 10, Bliss OS 14 run on Android 11. And the version that we're going to install today, Bliss OS 15, runs on Android 12 and this is alpha version. Another time scroll down a little bit and now I will show you the system requirements of your CPU and GPU. If you click here, you may see that Bliss OS can run on Intel Core i3, i5, i7 and even i9 processor, Intel Celeron processor, Intel Atom processor, Core 2 Duo. So actually it supports a lot of old processor. The same thing we can say about GPUs. So as you can see, it's well optimized for older devices. At this stage, we could download Bliss OS, but if we click on Bliss OS 15, we don't have option to download it. We need to type some command here and then we will get access to download the Bliss OS, but don't worry about that. We need to open a new page and type next, download Bliss OS 15 and press enter. If you type the right commands on Bliss OS official website, it will get you to this website. So just click on it and voila, right now we can download Bliss OS 15 version. All links will be in the video description. You just need to click on download. So now you just need to wait until Bliss OS 15 version will be downloaded on your laptop or computer, and then I will show you the next stage what you need to do to install it on your USB stick. As you can see, we already download our ISO file. After that, we can close this window and another time go to our browser. Now we need to download a Rufus program. So we can type download Rufus and press enter. So after that, we can go to the Rufus official website, scroll down a little bit, and I recommend to download a portable version. Click here and it already download on our laptop. So now we can close this window, and before we go to the folder where we download our ISO file and Rufus program, I recommend to insert your USB stick. Okay, I insert my USB flash drive. So here you may see Rufus program and our ISO file. I insert my USB stick and now I can run Rufus program. Click on it. Here you may see next message. Do you want to allow Rufus to check for application updates online? I will click no, I don't want new updates. We are in the Rufus program. Here we need to select our USB stick. And definitely this is my USB drive. It has 32 gigabytes of memory. That's okay. Next, we need to select our ISO file. Click here and go to the place where you download your ISO file. Click here and another time select open. Great. Now you just need to click on start, and I want to remind you that all information and all your data will be deleted from your flash drive. Now we need to click on start. Now we need to select the first option, write in ISO image mode, recommended, and click OK. Click yes. Warning that all data and all our files will be deleted. Click OK. My friends, now you just need to wait until Bliss OS 15 version will be installed on our flash drive. Also, I recommend to have USB 3.0 flash drive because USB 2.0 flash drive is much slower. So USB 3.0 flash drive will work much faster. So guys, as you can see, we already installed this operating system on our flash drive. So now we can close this window. And I recommend to safely remove our flash drive. For this, we need to click here, select this option, and here you need to find your USB stick. In my case, this is my flash drive, SanDisk 3.2. Click on it. After you see this message, you can safely remove your flash drive. Right now, I will turn off the laptop and show you the next thing what you need to do to run Android 12 from your flash drive. So guys, as you can see, I already installed Bliss OS 15 on my USB stick, and now I need to insert it into the laptop. After that, I need to enter the BIOS. So to enter the BIOS on this model, and I want to remind you that this is Lenovo ThinkPad L430 model, I need to press F1 key. But if you have another laptop, you can check on the internet which key you need to press to enter the BIOS. So turn on the laptop and press F1 key. Okay. As you can see, I successfully entered the BIOS. Here you may see specification of my laptop, Intel Core i3 of 3rd generation, 8 GB of RAM. Don't mind if you see 2016 year because this is the version of the BIOS. Probably this BIOS was updated because this laptop since 2013. So let's get into it. Now we need to move our USB stick at the first place, but before we do this, we need to do one important thing. If you have a specific BIOS, you may find this option, virtualization. Press enter. And as you can see, this option is disabled, so we need to enable it. This is very important. So some BIOS have this option and some of them doesn't have this option. When this option was disabled, my laptop simply not work and can run Android 12. So this is very important to enable this option if you have it in BIOS. Okay, now let's change priorities. I will press escape. And now I need to find boot option. Here you may see boot. This option you can find in any BIOS. Probably it may have another name, but you can find it in any laptop or computer. So now I just need to press enter. Now you may see boot priority order and our hard drive is on the first place. This is my USB stick. SanDisk, so I need to move it up, and for this I can use plus and minus keys. Okay, now my USB flash drive is on the first place. Now I need to go back and save all the changes. So I will press escape, restart, and here I have option exit saving changes. I will press enter. Here we see next message. Save configuration changes and exit now. I will press enter and select yes. So the laptop will restart. So guys, the laptop restart and now we see this menu. So definitely we don't need to select any of this option. We need to select only the first one and press enter. Here you may see without installation, run Android x86 without installation. So press enter. Now you just need to wait a few minutes. Whoa, Android logo. And if you look closely, it changed colors. And now we may see such a menu. To make it more convenient, I will connect my mouse. Okay, I connect my mouse and it works without any problem. Here we can select the language, but English will suit me, so I will click start. Now we need to connect to our Wi-Fi or internet, so I will connect to my internet. Hello Kitty. Getting your tablet ready. So now we need to wait a few minutes. I think it will not take a long time. Copy apps and data. Oh, I will select don't copy. I don't need it. Just a sec. So in this window, I recommend to uncheck all the settings. Scroll down a little bit and click accept. Not now. Skip anyway. So guys, we are in the Bliss OS 15 and here you may see our desktop. If we click on the left mouse button and scroll a little bit, you may see our application. Also here you may see that we have some updates. So actually I think this is update to run Google Play Store. So friends, let's go to the settings and check if Bliss OS 15 runs on Android 12. For this another time, let's click on the left mouse button and scroll up another time. So now we can find our settings. Click on it. Okay, if we click here, we will get full screen. It will be more convenient. Scroll down a little bit. Here you may see about tablet. Let's click on it. Scroll down a little bit and what do we see here? Android 12. Let's click on it 2 or 3 times. Oh, and we see the clock. Okay, up. Android 12. Cool. Now we can close this window. So friends, another time, let's go to our menu. I want to remind you that I'm running Bliss OS 15 on very old laptop since 2013 and this is unstable version, so probably some feature may not work. Also, I want to show you how Bliss OS 15 looks like and some feature of Android 12. If we move mouse cursor here and click on the left mouse button, you may see such features. To be honest, previously I had Google Pixel 3 and definitely it looks similar to Android 12. So we can change the brightness of the screen. It's look quite cool. And if we click here, we can restart our device or shut down the power. And also we can turn it to the sleep mode. And we have some emergency button. Definitely I don't want to click on it. So let's close this window and let's try to run Google Play Store. As I previously said, I will try to install some simple game and some simple app just to show you that it works. Full screen. Now we need to sign to our Google account. Okay. So friends, nothing complicated here. You just need to enter your Google account and then you will be able to install some apps and games from the Google Play Store. So guys, I signed to Google account without any problem. So let's install some simple game because this is unstable version and I think it will not make any sense to install some games such as Free Fire. I will install Cut the Rope just to show you that it works. Click on it, install. Because to run some newer game, I think it will be better to install it on our hard drive or try to install some stable version of this OS. Or you can try to install Prime OS or FidoOS or BlueStacks emulator. So let's try to run this game. Click on play. Cut the rope work without any problem. Whoop. As you can see, everything works quite well. So guys, the second part, cut the rope, also work without any problem. Okay, nothing complicated here. Let's another time go to the Google Play Store and let's install some app. For the example, let's install this popular browser. Click install. Okay, let's open our browser. Can we open Opera in full screen? I guess we can. To be honest, I don't understand how to open it in full screen. I can just change resolution like that. Okay, let's go to the YouTube. YouTube. It seems funny, I need only 50 subscribers and I will reach this goal for sure. So let's open one of my video to check how it works. For the example video about Adobe Premiere Pro. Find the best editing program. Why do I like? We have some strange issue, so I can be heard but I don't see anything, so I think it will be more than enough. Let's close this browser. Oh, so to go to the YouTube we need to install YouTube app. Okay, let's try to install YouTube. Press enter. Click install. Definitely this is one of the most popular apps, so I think it will work without any problem. Let's click open. Full screen. So let's type Andrei Tech. Press enter. Oh, who is this handsome man? That's me. Another time, let's open video about Adobe Premiere Pro. So friends, we have a small part of the video, we have music on the video, so let's save our video file. Hello everybody, you are on Andrei Mikhailovich channel. Today I'm going to tell you why do I prefer to use Adobe Premiere Pro, and at the end of the video I will show you how to create your first video. It is very easy, believe me. As you can see, YouTube app work without any problem. For the first time I can say that Bliss OS looks quite interesting. It has nice interface. Definitely to get all benefits of this operating system we need to wait until it will get stable version. So I think it will be more than enough for today. Bam! In fact, this is very cool that you have opportunity to run Android 12 on your laptop or computer without installing it on your hard drive. So yes, even if your laptop doesn't have a hard drive, you still can run this operating system from your USB stick. But also you have opportunity to install it on your hard drive But as I previously said, this is unstable version, so if you want to install it on your hard drive, it will be under your own risk. So guys, if this video was useful for you, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it will help me a lot. Also, on my channel you can watch a lot of interesting videos and I will be glad if you watch all of them. Goodbye everyone, see you soon.